Differences between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats. The Western Ghats from Deccan Plateau's western boundary. First, we have to draw. This is Western Ghat. This is Eastern Ghat. The Western Ghats from Deccan Plateau's western boundary. So all we know here, this middle part is the Deccan Plateau region. This is the region of the Deccan Plateau, and the Western Ghat from Deccan Plateau's western, that is Western Ghat, western boundary, and the Eastern Ghat is Eastern Ghat from the Deccan Plateau's in eastern boundary. Here, they are continuous and accessible only via passes such as Polghat, Forghat, and others. So the Western Ghat is a continuous range. Only there are some passes, that is Polghat Pass and Forghat Pass. But the Eastern Ghat is a irregular or discontinuous range. They are irregular, discontinuous due to the rivers that flow into the Bay of Bengal. So the Eastern Ghat is irregular. Why the Eastern Ghat is not containing a irregular range? Because the river Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri has cutted down some parts of the Eastern Ghats. They run parallel to the western coast of the Arabian Sea, and the Western Ghat is parallel to the western coast of the Arabian Sea. Next, they are located on the eastern coast of the Bay of Bengal. So here is Bay of Bengal, and the Eastern Ghat is also situated in the eastern coast of Bay of Bengal. Next point, in the south they are taller and their height increases as they move south. So the Western Ghats, in the Western Ghat regions, if we follow the tradition or the trends, that in the south the regions, the peak height will be increases by the southernmost part of the Western Ghat, because their height increases as they move to the south. But in the Eastern Ghat, they are taller in north, and the mountains grow in height as one travels north. But in the Eastern Ghats, what we saw in the Eastern Ghat, the height of the peak are taller in the north than the southern part of the Eastern Ghat. Next point, the average elevation is between 900 to 1600 meters in Western Ghat. But in the Western Ghat, the average height of elevation is 600 here in the Eastern Ghat. Then, in the Western Ghat, Anaimudi is the highest peak at 2695 meters above sea level. And in the Eastern Ghats, Mahendragiri is the highest peak at 1501 meters above the sea level. So Anaimudi is the highest peak of the Western Ghat, and Mahendragiri is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghat.
You can get all the notes from our website. So go to skillyogi.org. The link is in the description below, and you can easily get NCERT CBSE quick notes and question bank for yourself. You can buy the book from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can download the PDF for easy learning. So go to our website skillyogi.org and order today. The link is given in the description below.